This is from the street side. Let's go inside. Got 478 feet of waterfront. It's got a huge view over the north side of the lake. Spot to hang out there. Got a dock with a boat lift. Head back inside now. Main bedroom and bath. It goes back out to the main area. You got some incredible sunset views because it's facing west, but it's also covered, the whole lot's covered in trees. Makes it super private, so you got a point with privacy. If you'd like more info, just give me a call. It is a great house with a great view and is super private from all these trees. It's good.